Let's get you started with the AI Curator by Savitude. First, click on Your Products. The first step is to ensure that all the products that you want the AI Curator to use are marked properly. The AI Curator has already generated types for some of your products based on your product types and product tags. If you want to change a particular product's type, click on the drop-down underneath the depicted product. You can select any of the listed types, or select none if you don't want the AI Curator to use that product. Once you're satisfied with your products, click Submit Change. The AI Curator will update. Now that you've ensured the right products are being used, let's get your storefront set up. In your storefront, we have created UI elements for the AI Curator. Let's walk through how to enable them. Looking at your online store, going to Pages, you can see we've automatically created the Shop by Body Shape page. This is where your shoppers will find the quiz and get personalized results for their body shape and proportion. To add this to your site's navigation, click Navigation, click on your main menu, click Add Menu Item, put whatever title you want, go to Pages, Shop by Body Shape, and click Add. Then click Save. To enable the Find Similar and Outfitting elements on your product page, go to Themes, Customize, Product Pages, click on Similar Products, and enable Show Similar Products. Then go back to Sections, click on Outfits, and click Show Outfits. Then hit Save. You will see results for any product in the AI Curator. For products not used by the AI Curator, these sections will be hidden.